Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Facebook video in your Weebly website. This is a great way to showcase video content from your Facebook page directly on your site, making it more engaging and interactive for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option and click on it. Under that, you'll find Edit Site, so go ahead and click that as well. Now you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you to the editor page of your website where you can make all your customizations. Before we proceed with editing the site, we need to grab the embedded code for our Facebook video. Open a new tab and go to facebook.com. Search for the video you want to embed, whether it's from your own page or another public source. Once you've found the video, click on the three dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the video post. From the drop-down menu, click on Embed. This will generate the embedded code for that specific video. Go ahead and copy that code as we'll need it in just a moment. Now let's head back to the editor page of your Weebly website. Make sure you're on the Build tab, which is where you'll find all the elements and tools for designing your site. Focus on the left side menu and look for the embed code element. If you can't find it right away, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've located the embed code element, just drag it to the section of your website where you want the Facebook video to appear. Position it exactly where you think it will look best on your page. After placing the embed code element, click on it to activate the editing options. You'll see a button that says Edit Custom HTML, so click on that. A text box will appear, and this is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied from Facebook earlier. Simply paste the code into the text box, and you're all set. The Facebook video will now be embedded directly into your Weebly website, allowing visitors to watch it without leaving your site. And that's it, you've successfully embedded a Facebook video into your Weebly website. This simple integration can really enhance your site's content and keep visitors engaged longer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.